16 natural antibiotics. Discover their benefits. Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to talk about something super important for your health: natural antibiotics. As you know, overusing chemical antibiotics can weaken our bodies and promote the development of resistant bacteria. Fortunately, nature offers us many solutions to strengthen our immune system and fight infections. In this video, I'm going to introduce you to 16 natural antibiotics with amazing properties. From ancestral remedies to plants you may already have in your kitchen, we will explore their health benefits together. So, make yourselves comfortable and let's discover together these natural treasures that will help you stay in great shape. Garlic, the millennial protector. Garlic, this essential food in our kitchens, has been used for millennia for its medicinal properties. And for good reason. It is rich in allicin, a sulfur compound with powerful antibacterial and antiviral properties. Consuming garlic regularly, raw preferably, helps strengthen your immune system and fight winter infections. It is also effective against urinary and digestive infections. So, don't hesitate to add a clove of garlic to your dishes. Your body will thank you. Aloe vera, the plant of 1,000 virtues. Known for its skin benefits, aloe vera is also a powerful natural antibiotic. Its gel, rich in enzymes, vitamins and minerals, has antibacterial, antiviral and antifungal properties. Applied to the skin, aloe vera helps heal wounds, burns, skin infections and acne. As a juice, it strengthens the immune system and helps fight internal infections. A true ally for your health, inside and out. Ginger, the inflammation fighter. Ginger, with its unique spicy taste, is another treasure of nature. Rich in gingerol, a powerful antioxidant, it has incredible anti-inflammatory benefits. Ginger is particularly effective against nausea, vomiting, and menstrual pain. It also helps fight respiratory infections, coughs, and colds. Infuse fresh ginger root in hot water and enjoy this miracle drink. Oregano, the aromatic antibacterial. Oregano, this fragrant herb that we often use in Italian cuisine, is a powerful natural antibiotic. It contains carvacrol and thymol, compounds with antibacterial and antifungal properties. Oregano essential oil is particularly effective in fighting respiratory, intestinal, and urinary infections. Add a few drops of oregano essential oil to your dishes to enjoy its benefits. Be careful, however, to use it sparingly. Oregano essential oil is very powerful. The onion, the discreet ally. Often shunned because of its strong taste, the onion is actually a true ally for our health. Just like garlic, it is rich in sulfur compounds with antimicrobial properties. The onion is an excellent natural antiseptic. It helps fight respiratory and digestive infections. It is also rich in antioxidants, which protect our cells from premature aging. So don't hesitate to add onions to your dishes, raw or cooked, to enjoy its many benefits. Echinacea, the immune booster. Used for centuries by Native Americans, Echinacea is a plant known for its immune-boosting properties. It contains alkylamides, compounds that increase the production of white blood cells, our soldiers against infections. Echinacea is particularly effective in preventing and treating colds, flu, and respiratory infections. It is found in the form of capsules, tablets, tinctures, or herbal teas. A precious ally to stay healthy all winter long. Eucalyptus essential oil, a breath of fresh air. Extracted from eucalyptus leaves, eucalyptus essential oil is known for its beneficial effects on the respiratory tract. It has antibacterial, antiviral, and expectorant properties. Eucalyptus essential oil is very effective in clearing the airways in case of a cold, bronchitis, or sinusitis. Add a few drops of eucalyptus essential oil to a bowl of hot water and inhale the steam. Caution: eucalyptus essential oil is not recommended for pregnant and breastfeeding women, as well as young children. Semen contra, the well-kept secret. Less known than other natural antibiotics, semen contra is nevertheless very effective. Native to Haiti, this plant is traditionally used to treat many ailments. Semen contra has antibacterial, antifungal, and antiparasitic properties. It is effective in fighting urinary tract infections, intestinal parasites, and skin infections. Semen contra can be found in the form of dried leaves for infusions, mother tincture, or capsules. Cranberry juice, the protector of the urinary tract. Cranberry juice, with its characteristic tangy taste, is known for its benefits on the urinary tract. It is rich in proanthocyanidins, antioxidants that prevent bacteria from adhering to the walls of the urinary tract. Drinking cranberry juice regularly helps prevent and relieve urinary tract infections such as cystitis. Choose a cranberry juice without added sugars to fully enjoy its benefits. A true ally for your urinary comfort. Turmeric, the spice with 1,001 virtues. Turmeric, this golden spice that gives curry its color, is a true health treasure. It contains curcumin, a powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory. Turmeric is effective in relieving joint pain, digestive problems, and chronic inflammation. It also helps strengthen the immune system and fight infections. Add turmeric to your dishes, smoothies, or infusions to enjoy its benefits. Honey, a nectar with healing properties. Honey, this nectar produced by bees, has been used for millennia for its medicinal properties. Rich in antioxidants and enzymes, it has exceptional antibacterial and healing properties. Honey is particularly effective in treating wounds, burns, and skin infections. It also soothes sore throats and coughs. Choose raw, unheated, and unpasteurized honey to fully enjoy its benefits. Citron, une source incroyable de vitamine C. Le citron, avec son goût acidulé et rafraîchissant, est un agrume riche en vitamine C, un puissant antioxydant qui booste le système immunitaire. Il a aussi des propriétés antibactériennes et antivirales. Le citron est efficace pour lutter contre les infections respiratoires, la fatigue et les maux de gorge. Pressez le jus d'un demi-citron dans un verre d'eau tiède chaque matin pour bénéficier de ses bienfaits. Attention toutefois à ne pas abuser du citron, car son acidité peut irriter l'estomac. Basil, antibacterial freshness. Basil, this aromatic herb with a captivating scent, is much more than just a condiment. It has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties that make it a valuable ally for our health. Basil is effective in fighting against skin infections, digestive problems, and urinary tract infections. Add fresh basil leaves to your salads, pizzas, or to your tomato sauces to enjoy its benefits. A touch of freshness and health to your dishes. Rosemary, the natural stimulant. Rosemary, this aromatic shrub with a powerful scent, is known for its stimulating and invigorating properties. It also has antibacterial and antioxidant properties. Rosemary is effective in combating fatigue, memory problems, and respiratory infections. Add rosemary to your dishes, your herbal teas, or use its essential oil in a diffuser to enjoy its benefits. A real boost for body and mind. Thyme, the protector of your respiratory tract. Thyme, this aromatic herb with a warm and spicy scent, has been recognized since antiquity for its medicinal virtues. It has antiseptic, antibacterial, and expectorant properties. Thyme is particularly effective in fighting respiratory infections, coughs, bronchitis, and sinusitis. Add thyme to your dishes, prepare a thyme infusion, or use its essential oil in a diffuser to enjoy its benefits. A true ally for breathing freely. Cloves, the specialist for sensitive teeth. Cloves, this spice with a powerful and unique taste, has been used for centuries for its anesthetic and antiseptic properties. It is rich in eugenol, a compound with antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. Cloves are particularly effective in relieving toothaches, oral infections, and sore throats. Apply a drop of clove essential oil to the aching tooth or massage your gums with a clove infusion. Be careful. Clove essential oil is very potent and should be used sparingly. Over to you. There you go. You now know 16 natural antibiotics with incredible benefits to boost your immune system and fight infections. Don't hesitate to add them to your meals and your wellness routine to stay in great shape all year round. Remember that these natural remedies do not replace medical advice. If in doubt, talk to your doctor or pharmacist. I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with your loved ones. Take care of yourselves and see you soon for a new video.